Hello and welcome to another pool video of mine. After watching my Bestway 12 feet pool setup, many of you requested that I show you how to repair a small leak in the pool. So I got outside after work today and quickly shot this. So if you bought a Bestway 12 feet pool or any other inflatable pool, the box may come with a repair kit or so. My Bestway 12 feet pie came with two of these vinyl repair patches. There are some very hard to read instructions on the back, but don't worry, this video will tell you exactly what to do. Basically, this patch is like a piece of tape or sticker. So if you saw my setup video, you may know that my pool was defective and had a hole on the side, so I already used up one of my patches. It's been over a month and there are no leaks. I went ahead and got extras from Amazon in case I discovered more leaks in the future. If you buy the Bestway or OEM patch, it can be pretty expensive, but you can get 10 times more patches for the same price just by buying a non-brand, and I think they work just as good. What's amazing and impressive about these patches is that you can use them underwater as well. So that's why I chose them, compared to other repair patches, because they're so easy to use. All you have to do is just peel off the sticker part and stick it where the leak is. You can cut and shape them, but I suggest you don't need to. If you get a big enough pack of them, you already have enough. Before you peel them, inspect your pool and locate the leak. So I'm going to show you on my pool floor where I can feel a leak happening soon. Sorry, it's been a little cool and the pool hasn't been used for a while, so the water quality isn't great at the moment, and I apologize for that, but I can still demonstrate the repair. I'm going to take my camera underwater and you can probably see the protrusion of a sharp point or two sharp points. There's a sharp object about to puncture the bottom, and this is where I'm going to patch it just in case. I have peeled my vinyl sticker and it's ready to go. Make sure the sticky side is at the bottom, center the hole as best as you can, and attach the sticker at the point. If you make a mistake, you can quickly and gently peel off and recenter. After that, make sure you squeeze out all the air bubbles and press on the sticker on all edges to make a good seal. Air bubbles will ruin the seal. Once you have nicely placed the sticker, it will take 30 minutes to make an irreversible, permanent, leak-free seal. Check to make sure you did it right, and that's it. Enjoy your leak-free pool. Thanks for watching.